So butterfly pea is in bloom. What you may not know is that these purple flowers on a vine in the pea family, there are actually two completely different species that are blooming at the same time, and they look very, very similar and can be tough to tell apart. So we're going to look a little bit at how to tell these two peas apart. This one is just plain butterfly pea, Clitoria mariana, and the other species is climbing butterfly pea, Centrosema virginiana. With both of these plants, the flower is sort of upside down for a pea. So we typically think of a pea as having this banner, which on a normal flower would be upright. But in this one happens to be down at the bottom. And then you can see with the regular butterfly pea, not the climbing butterfly pea, that here at the mouth of the flower there are these two little wings, and then this is what's called the keel, sort of in the middle. Of course, both of them attract butterflies very well, and other insects, pollinators, and you can see that they have compound leaves, trifoliate compound leaves, so 3 leaflets for each of those. And here's the climbing butterfly pea. This one seems to behave slightly more vine-like, which is probably why it's called climbing. The color is different. You can see this is a little bit darker purple, but that's not necessarily an indicator of which species is which. So any range from light purple to dark magenta almost is common in both of these plants. But you can see this one doesn't have those two little wings coming off the side. And this one is also called spurred butterfly pea because of this little green sepal that comes over the top of that keel down there at the bottom. So even though they're tough to tell apart, once you know the little characteristics to look for that differentiate butterfly pea and climbing butterfly pea, you should be able to go out into the field and find each of these species.